So what I find is it's mostly reactive. If you look at the 9/11, we were going along with 20 systems for TSA, 8 systems for Rome. And then when 9/11 happened, we were asked to make thousands of them, but we were practical and said, you cannot get good quality in such a short period of time. They had to be installed 7 months after the contract. So we took a smaller contract for about 500 and installed them all within 7 months. And was a big success and still in use in some places. Traditional big players fight off some of the newcomers, Smith Detection, Rapid Scan, Leidos now. It's very difficult for some of the new startups to fight these people when they can go in there and they can invest heavily as well as undercut your pricing to try to beat you out. But IDSS and another company I'd like to talk about, Liberty Defense, run by a former employee of mine named Bill Frayne and Mike Lanzaro, they have some of the most advanced technologies that are coming out, and we'll cover some of that as we go through. Some new technology that's come out since the Examiner and the CTX from Envision is the SureScan non-rotating CT scanner, which is a 27 tube system, but low energy tubes. And it looks at it in a similar way, was trying to come up with a CT image in three dimensions. And it does photon counting as the way that they measure it. And I know there's a lot of detail I'm throwing at you at once, but I'm available for any follow-up questions, and I'm sure there'll be some. On the other side, Rapid Scan came up with a technology that a lot of people had trouble developing, which was the electron beam technology. In terms of what's going on forward, although I was involved in bringing the ProVision to market, I have to say that the Roden-Schwarz device is a very, very nice design device. It actually tested in Melbourne, Australia, to reach 427 passengers per hour, whereas the ProVision is pretty limited to about 300 passengers an hour. Of course, and that's an important factor. Price-wise, they're about the same, and space-wise, they're about the same. And it's a little bit more open design, and it's being deployed mostly outside of the United States.
To watch the entire video, contact us via the link given below in the description.